I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the zipper track closely to identify bent teeth, gaps, or a loose slider. This tells you whether repair or replacement is needed. Remove fabric obstructions and stop at the zipper stops using small pliers. That protects the ends. Once done, lubricate the teeth lightly so the slider moves. Make sure the slider type matches the zipper gauge. Move the slider back and forth a few times to test engagement before attempting alignment or restitching. Next, you realign any bent teeth by gently squeezing them back into place with needle nose pliers. Start at the damaged section and work outward to avoid creating new misalignment. If the slider no longer grabs, either crimp it slightly to tighten the bite or replace it with a matching size slider. Make sure the new slider matches the zipper gauge so teeth mesh properly. Once the teeth and slider engage smoothly, reseat fabric edges and run the zipper slowly to confirm consistent operation. To finish, secure the zipper stops by crimping metal stops or sewing strong stitches to form new top or bottom stops. This keeps the slider from coming off. If the track still has missing or widely spaced teeth, cut out the damaged section and fit a new zipper segment or replace the whole zipper for durability. Test the zipper through multiple cycles under normal stress. If it snags, make sure the fabric isn't catching and that the slider isn't overly tightened. Adjust or replace as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.